Good day, grade 4. Teacher May is back. So I'm here again to teach you about science. Today's topic is all about proper storage and handling of materials. Every day, you use materials which can be classified as food products, personal care products, cleaning products, and medicine. There are some hazardous materials at home and in school that could pose danger if not properly used, stored, and disposed. Take note of the hazard symbols or the hazardous symbols and words written in the precautions. A product is hazardous if it has at least one of these properties. 1. We have toxic. A poisonous material causes serious illness or death. Medicines, pesticides, paint, thinners, bleach, mothballs, and cleaners are toxic. The most identifiable sign is the skull and the crossbones, meaning poison. We have also corrosive. A corrosive material is one which causes damage to skin, eyes, or other parts of the body in contact. Metal cleaners with phosphoric acid, drain cleaners that contain sulfuric acid, muriatic acid, and concentrated hydrogen peroxide are some examples of corrosive materials. And lastly, we have flammable. A flammable material burns easily. Perfume, cologne, alcohol, paint, thinners, and some cooking products like kerosene, gasoline, and cooking oil are flammable home products. We have here the different rules for safe handling of hazardous materials. Insecticide and pesticide keep our home safe from insects and pests. However, both are flammable. They burn easily and make the fire spread faster. Because of this, safety is important. Read the precautionary measures in handling household substances. We have here, you need to read the label. Read the part on how to use the product, the safety precautions, and expiration date. Take note of the signal words like caution, warning, or danger before you buy, especially if you will take medicines. Follow precautions. In using hazardous products, always follow the precautions. Dispose properly. Dispose any hazardous materials that are no longer needed. Throw empty containers in separate bags. Practice garbage segregation. Store hazardous products properly. Proper storing hazardous products is very important. Storing the products in its original container and keeping the labels will make it easy for you to identify the products. Keep the hazardous materials away from the heat or fire if flammable, out of reach of children, and away from food if poisonous. Use safer alternatives. There are a lot of safer substitutes for hazardous products. For example, rather than using bleach as a stain remover, try calamansi juice. For cleaning the stove, sink, or toilet, use baking soda and vinegar. To remove germ causing bad odor in the toilet, Set a slice of onion in a toilet for 12 hours. Now, we have also here the proper care in the food and medicine. Read the labels and drug facts. It must be placed out of reach of children and dispose the medicine that are expired. In our food, you also need to read the labels or the nutritional facts. Look for the expiration date, dispose them properly, and wash the food before eating or cooking. When using pesticide, it is advised to wear gloves and mask. Do not eat or drink while using pesticide since some residue might cling to your food. Always clean up or wash exposed body parts after using pesticide. Use water-based insecticides to kill insects and pests at home. And also, avoid tasting, smelling, and touching any unfamiliar or unknown substances. Now, we have here a simple rules. Safety first because injuries last. Safety is very important in handling and using common household materials, especially in the hazardous materials. Accidents can be prevented at home. Proper handling and disposing of hazardous materials and waste will help us prevent further accident at home. It's also a way of lessening environmental problems like pollution. This ends our topic. If you have any question, you can message me through Facebook. Thank you and God bless.